G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Apologise for a little bit of noise that's happening in the background here, but we're going to talk a little bit about extraction today out of a batch freezer. We've been working on this Catabriga Star Gel 4, great little machine. We're going to talk about the spatula test, which every batch freezer operator should be doing. Before I do so, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Frozen Solutions. Mitch Kleinman, the whole crew there. Basically, anything that you want to do with cups, with lids, with straws, custom printing, color changing cups, anything in the cup, spoon, straw world, frozensolutions.com. Tell Mitch that Steve sent you along. Now, we're kind of crouched down a little bit here because I wanted to get the extraction chute or the door in the shot, because when you're making a batch of ice cream, it's important to extract out firm but not overly hard, but you also don't want it to be soft. Extracting product out that's too soft out of a batch freezer will basically have the weight of it collapse on itself. You'll lose overrun and you won't get that nice structure. If you overbeat the product and it comes out too hard, you leave a lot of the product in the batch freezer and you may butter out the mix, which will be inconsistency in freezing it. So the best way to do it is to actually do the spatula test. And what that is getting any type of spatula, plastic, rubber spatula, and then basically rotating the barrel. So right now we'll put this on extraction, and I'm going to open the door a little bit and then close it and get some of that product on the end of the spatula. Now the idea is, get out of shot Steve, the idea is that if you've got product that is firm enough so it's sitting on the spatula without falling off, that's generally a pretty good indication that your product is ready to extract out. The structure is good, it's not falling off, it's maintaining its shape. If it were to just drop straight off, you know that it's too soft to come out. It's a very simple process, and I really would recommend you do it, even though you may have pulled 1,000 batches out of this machine. Just making sure that the right consistency is being extracted is really important, because the end product will reflect the time that this product is in the barrel and freezing. So again, you can kind of see that this product still, we've been talking for about a minute or so, still nice and firm. I prefer a firmer product, not overly hard, but soft can have very dramatic consequences, and you don't want that either. So let's get a pan, extract this out, pull out our tray. I'm on extract, open up the door. Look at that. I know that it's got good structure because I've already checked it out. Very nice. I'm placing it in the side of the pan. I'm not pushing the air out of it. I just want a nice placement so I don't have any air pockets left in here. And again, because I did the spatula test, it's not a surprise to me what the consistency is going to be like coming out, because I already know, because I checked it beforehand. We're using a 14% fat mix, so you can see that it's kind of has a little bit more overrun than perhaps a lower fat product like a gelato per se. But look at that, absolutely beautiful. Shut this guy off, shut the door, and there you go. A beautiful pan of premium ice cream that we made knowing that the product was firm enough when I extracted it out. Now, this is going into a blast freezer. We've spoken a lot about blast freezers. That could be another 10 videos. But the spatula test, very, very important. It's an easy thing. It'll help you become a better ice cream maker and have better ice cream. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next video.